Embark on an extraordinary journey through time, where ancient empires, vibrant caliphates, and Christian kingdoms have each left an indelible mark. Cordoba, a city steeped in history, beckons students, scholars, and history enthusiasts alike to explore its profound past. Prepare to delve into a narrative of unparalleled cultural fusion, intellectual brilliance, and architectural splendor, offering invaluable insights for both academic research and enriching travel. Cordoba's history is a rich tapestry, woven from the threads of diverse civilizations. From its origins as a Roman settlement, it blossomed into the vibrant capital of the Umayyad Caliphate of Cordoba. Later, it transformed into a Christian city under Ferdinand III in 1236, each era contributing to its unique identity. Its zenith in the 10th century saw it emerge as a global hub of learning, culture, and tolerance, boasting approximately 300 mosques and a significant Jewish community. After its capture by Ferdinand III, the Great Mosque was converted into a cathedral, and the city's political importance waned. Nevertheless, it retained its significance as a commercial center, a testament to its enduring resilience. This historical trajectory offers a compelling case study for understanding the dynamics of cultural exchange and societal evolution. The story of Cordoba begins long before the caliphs, rooted deeply in Roman antiquity. Established in the 2nd century BCE, it built upon an existing Tartessian settlement, strategically positioned for trade and defense. This early foundation laid the groundwork for centuries of prosperity and influence. Under Emperor Augustus, Cordoba ascended to become the capital of the Roman province of Baetica, a pivotal city in the Iberian Peninsula. Its strategic location and fertile lands made it a vital administrative and economic hub. This period saw the birth of prominent figures, including the renowned Roman philosopher Seneca, whose intellectual contributions continue to resonate today. Roman engineering prowess is still evident in Cordoba's urban planning and infrastructure. The city boasted impressive public buildings, forums, and aqueducts, reflecting its status as a major provincial capital. Studying these remnants provides crucial insights into Roman urbanism and provincial administration. The Roman legacy in Cordoba extends beyond mere structures. It shaped the very identity of the region. The Latin language, legal systems, and cultural practices profoundly influenced subsequent societies. For researchers, understanding this foundational period is essential to grasping the city's later developments. Following the decline of the Western Roman Empire, Cordoba transitioned into Visigothic control in the 6th century. This period marked a shift in political power, yet many Roman administrative and social structures persisted. The Visigoths, though Germanic, adopted much of the Romanized culture and Christianity. The Visigothic era, while less celebrated than its Roman or Islamic successors, was a crucial transitional phase. It saw the consolidation of a Christian kingdom across the Iberian Peninsula, albeit one often marked by internal strife. The city's strategic importance continued, making it a prize for successive rulers. The early 8th century brought a seismic shift with the Moorish conquest of the city. This pivotal moment fundamentally reshaped Cordoba's destiny, ushering in an era of unprecedented cultural and intellectual flourishing. The swiftness of the conquest and the subsequent establishment of Islamic rule marked a new chapter. By 776, Cordoba had been elevated to the capital of the independent Emirate of Cordoba under the Umayyad dynasty. This move signaled the beginning of Al-Andalus, a new Islamic civilization in Europe. The city quickly became a beacon of Islamic power and culture, setting the stage for its golden age. From the mid-8th to the early 11th century, Cordoba experienced an unparalleled golden age. It flourished as an extraordinary center of learning, culture, and religious tolerance within Al-Andalus, captivating scholars and travelers from across the known world. This era represents a pinnacle of human achievement and interfaith cooperation. The city's intellectual vibrancy was legendary, attracting scholars in medicine, astronomy, mathematics, and philosophy. Its libraries, most notably the Caliph's Library, housed hundreds of thousands of manuscripts, far surpassing any other European city. This vast repository of knowledge fueled groundbreaking research and innovation. Architectural marvels defined this period, with the Great Mosque of Cordoba standing as its most iconic symbol. Its construction began in the 8th century, undergoing successive expansions that reflected the city's growing importance and artistic sophistication. Each edition tells a story of evolving power and aesthetic vision. By the 10th century, Cordoba was one of Europe's largest and most sophisticated cities, a true metropolis. It boasted a thriving multicultural society where large Muslim, Christian, and Jewish communities coexisted and contributed to its intellectual and economic life. This unique environment fostered a remarkable spirit of convivencia, or coexistence. The city's economic prosperity was driven by advanced agricultural techniques, sophisticated irrigation systems, and extensive trade networks. Goods and ideas flowed freely, making Cordoba a nexus of global commerce and cultural exchange. This economic engine supported its vast intellectual and artistic endeavors. Cordoba's urban planning was equally advanced, featuring paved streets, public baths, and street lighting, amenities largely absent in contemporary European cities. This sophisticated infrastructure underscored its status as a leading urban center. For students of urban history, Cordoba offers a fascinating case study. The intellectual contributions of Cordoban scholars profoundly influenced European thought, particularly during the Renaissance. Their translations of Greek and Roman texts, alongside their original research, helped reintroduce classical knowledge to the West. This intellectual bridge was crucial for the development of modern science and philosophy. The Great Mosque, with its forest of columns and intricate mihrab, remains a testament to the artistic and engineering genius of the Caliphate. Its unique blend of architectural styles, incorporating elements from Roman, Visigothic, and Islamic traditions, makes it a masterpiece of world architecture. Studying its design reveals layers of cultural synthesis. The Jewish community in Cordoba also thrived, producing renowned philosophers, poets, and physicians. Figures like Maimonides, one of the most influential Jewish thinkers, emerged from this vibrant intellectual environment. Their contributions enriched the city's diverse cultural landscape. This period of unparalleled flourishing offers invaluable lessons in cultural synthesis and intellectual advancement. For researchers, Cordoba's Golden Age provides a rich field for exploring interfaith relations, scientific progress, and urban development in a pre-modern context. Its legacy continues to inspire discussions on tolerance and innovation. The Golden Age of the Caliphate eventually gave way to political fragmentation and internal strife. In 1236, King Ferdinand III of Castile seized Cordoba, marking a significant turning point in its history. This event was part of the broader Christian reconquista of the Iberian Peninsula, a centuries-long process. The capture of Cordoba was not merely a military victory, it was a profound symbolic act. The Great Mosque, the heart of Islamic Cordoba, was immediately consecrated as the city's cathedral. This transformation symbolized the shift in religious and political dominance, reshaping the city's spiritual and architectural landscape. New Christian defensive structures, such as the Alcázar de los Reyes Cristianos, were constructed, further altering the urban fabric. These fortifications served both practical and symbolic purposes, asserting Christian authority and providing protection. The city began to reflect its new identity. While Cordoba lost its political prominence as a capital, it adapted to its new role within the Christian kingdom. It maintained its economic importance, particularly due to its strategic location and proximity to the Sierra Morena copper mines. Trade continued to be a vital aspect of its economy. The conversion of the mezquita into a cathedral involved significant architectural modifications, including the insertion of a Renaissance nave and transept within the mosque's hypostyle hall. This controversial intervention created a unique hybrid structure, a powerful visual representation of the city's layered history. It stands as a testament to both conquest and adaptation. The Christian period saw the establishment of new churches, convents, and palaces, further integrating Cordoba into the Castilian realm. The city's demographics shifted, with Christian settlers repopulating areas previously inhabited by Muslims and Jews. This period of resettlement and reorganization profoundly impacted the city's social structure. Despite the decline in its political stature, Cordoba continued to be a significant cultural center, albeit with a different focus. Its rich past, however, remained an undeniable presence, influencing its art, architecture, and local traditions. The city's historical depth continued to attract attention. For scholars, the post-Reconquista period in Cordoba offers a fascinating study of cultural assimilation, religious conversion, and urban transformation. It highlights the complex processes through which societies adapt to new political and religious realities. The city's resilience in the face of such profound changes is remarkable. In the centuries following the Reconquista, Cordoba continued to be known for its palaces, churches, and noble houses. However, its overall political importance diminished, especially after the fall of Granada in 1492, which completed the Reconquista. The focus of power shifted elsewhere in Spain. The city experienced brief cultural revivals and endured significant upheavals throughout its modern history. Events such as the Napoleonic Wars and the Spanish Civil War left their marks, bringing periods of destruction and reconstruction. These episodes underscore the city's enduring resilience in the face of adversity. Today, Cordoba stands as a vibrant city that proudly embraces its multifaceted heritage. Its historical center, a remarkable ensemble of Roman, Islamic, and Christian architecture, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. This recognition cemented its status as a global treasure. The city's modern identity is deeply intertwined with its past, attracting millions of visitors annually. Its narrow, winding streets, flower-filled patios, and iconic monuments offer a tangible connection to its rich history. Cordoba serves as a living museum, where every corner tells a story. Contemporary Cordoba continues to be a center for cultural events, flamenco, and traditional crafts. It balances its historical preservation with modern development, creating a dynamic urban environment. The city's universities and research institutions continue its legacy of learning, albeit in a different context. For travelers, Cordoba offers an immersive experience, allowing one to walk through centuries of history in a single day. For researchers, it provides an unparalleled opportunity to study the long-term impacts of cultural exchange, conquest, and coexistence. The city's layers of history are a constant source of discovery. The preservation efforts in Cordoba are exemplary, ensuring that future generations can continue to learn from its unique past. Its status as a UNESCO site underscores the global importance of its historical and architectural heritage. Cordoba truly is a city that transcends time. Cordoba is more than just a city. It is a living testament to the ebb and flow of civilizations, a place where history breathes in every stone and alleyway. From its Roman foundations to its Islamic zenith and Christian transformation, it offers an unparalleled narrative of human endeavor, intellectual curiosity, and cultural synthesis. For students, scholars, and history enthusiasts, Cordoba is an essential destination, providing a profound understanding of European and Mediterranean history. We invite you to deepen your engagement with this extraordinary city. Plan your visit to walk through the Mezquita Cathedral, explore the Alcázar, and wander the ancient Jewish quarter. For academic pursuits, consider its rich archives and archaeological sites for your next research project. Share your insights and discoveries with us, and let Cordoba inspire your own journey of learning and exploration.